What if I told you that some trees can feed you, heal you, and even power your life? Yet most people have never truly understood their value. These trees were once part of everyday survival. They were reliable, patient, and incredibly powerful. Over time, they were pushed aside not because they stopped working, but because modern systems replaced them. Now, as the world faces rising costs, climate challenges, and uncertainty, these forgotten trees are becoming important again. Each one offers something unique, and each one has the potential to change how you think about self-reliance. The moringa tree, Moringa oleifera, is often called the miracle tree, and for good reason. Native to the Himalayan region, it has been used for centuries as both food and medicine. Its leaves are packed with nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and antioxidants. The seeds can even help purify water. It grows quickly, even in poor soil, and needs very little water once established. This tree was overlooked because it grows too easily and doesn't depend on complex systems. Today, it stands as one of the most powerful survival plants you can grow. The jatropha tree, Jatropha curcas, is not just a plant, it's a source of energy. Originally from Central America, it spread to many tropical regions because of its ability to grow in harsh conditions. Its seeds produce oil that can be converted into biodiesel, making it a natural fuel source. It thrives in dry, poor soil and requires minimal care. The reason it remained uncommon is simple: it challenges centralized energy systems. But for individuals seeking independence, it offers something rare: fuel grown at home. The neem tree, Azadirachta indica, has been used for thousands of years as a natural medicine. Known as a village pharmacy, it has antibacterial, antifungal, and healing properties. Every part of the tree, from leaves to bark to oil, has a purpose. It grows best in hot climates and doesn't need much water. Neem was never fully adopted by modern medicine because it can be grown and used directly without processing. Today, it remains one of the most powerful natural health resources available. The mesquite tree, Prosopis species, is often misunderstood. Many see it as a tough desert tree, but it produces pods that can be turned into a sweet, nutritious flower. Indigenous communities relied on it for centuries as a staple food source. It thrives in dry, harsh environments where other crops fail. It requires almost no care once established. Mesquite disappeared from mainstream agriculture because it didn't require fertilizers or irrigation. But in a world facing drought, it offers incredible value. The olive tree, Olea europea, is a symbol of endurance. Some olive trees have lived for over 1,000 years while continuing to produce fruit. It provides oil, food, and even medicinal benefits. It requires patience to grow but very little maintenance once established. Modern agriculture often favors fast-growing crops, which is why olives became less common in some areas. But for long-term sustainability, few trees can match its reliability and lifespan. The carob tree, Ceratonia siliqua, produces naturally sweet pods that were once used as a substitute for chocolate. It grows in dry climates and poor soil, requiring very little water. Historically, it was a dependable food source during difficult times. It was eventually overshadowed by sugar and cocoa industries, which were easier to commercialize. However, carob remains a resilient and productive tree that can provide consistent food with minimal effort. The breadfruit tree, Artocarpus altilis, is one of the most productive food trees in the world. A single tree can produce hundreds of fruits each year, providing a rich source of carbohydrates. It was a staple food in many Pacific cultures. Breadfruit didn't become globally popular because it doesn't store or transport easily. But for home growers, it is incredibly valuable. In the right climate, it produces large amounts of food with very little maintenance. The willow tree, Salix species, is known more for its healing properties than its food value. Its bark contains salicin, a natural compound used for pain relief and the basis of modern aspirin. It grows best in moist areas and near water sources. For centuries, people relied on it as a natural remedy. It became less common as pharmaceutical alternatives took over. Still, it remains a powerful and natural source of medicine. The pine tree, Pinus species, is often overlooked, but it offers multiple survival benefits. Its needles can be used to make vitamin-rich tea, and its resin can be used for fire starting and sealing. The wood itself is a reliable fuel source. Pine trees grow in many climates and require little maintenance once established. They are not usually considered food plants, which is why their full value is often ignored, but they provide consistent support in survival situations. The castor bean plant, Ricinus communis, is both useful and controversial. It produces castor oil, which has been used in medicine, industry, and lubrication. While the plant contains toxic compounds, it can be safely used with proper knowledge. It grows quickly in warm climates and requires moderate care. Its complex nature is one reason it is often avoided. But when understood correctly, it becomes a highly valuable resource. The pongamia tree, Miletia pinnata, is one of the most promising fuel-producing trees. It produces oil-rich seeds that can be converted into biofuel. It also improves soil quality by fixing nitrogen. It grows in poor soil and requires minimal water. Despite its potential, it has not been widely adopted, likely because it reduces dependence on traditional fuel systems. For those seeking sustainable energy solutions, it is an exceptional option. The coconut palm, Cocos nucifera, is perhaps the most complete survival tree. It provides food, water, oil, fiber, and even building materials. Entire communities have relied on it for centuries. It grows in tropical climates and requires sunlight and warmth. Despite its usefulness, it is often treated as just a decorative tree. In reality, it is one of the most self-sufficient plants on Earth, capable of supporting life in multiple ways. These trees were never truly lost. They were simply overlooked. Each one offers a level of independence that modern systems often cannot provide. Growing even one of them is more than gardening. It is a step toward resilience, sustainability, and self-reliance.